Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books. Now today is the final week of the 30-day drawing challenge. It's day 26. We're almost to the end. I'm just going to do a quick sketch here. What I'm going to draw today is, again, I'm going to sketch Mayor Samuel's Sidewinder from Poison Ivy Gulch. Alright, switch over here. Let's have him, just walking along this time. Yeah, I like sketching everything out. Alright, here we go. Once this 30-day drawing challenge is over, I'll have to do some other stuff for this channel. I'm still thinking about what that will be. I like to keep my drawings very simple. Alright, yeah, let's put just a simple background here. It's walking in some of the rocky badlands outside of town. And there we go, Mayor Samuel Sidewinder. Well, that's it for today's video. Tune in tomorrow for another drawing video. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell, too, to be notified of new videos. Until then, this is Max West saying goodbye.